In this video, we will learn how to solve a cournot-Nash equilibrium when we have 6 firms. The question is, an industry has 6 firms in Cournot competition. Each of the 6 firms have 0 fixed costs and a constant marginal cost of $20. The product is homogeneous, that means they produce same product, and the industry inverse demand function is being given as says, that is P is equal to 230 minus Q. P denotes the market price, Q denotes the total output of the industry, which is equal to the sum of the 6 firms output. We need to find out the market price under Cournot-Nash equilibrium. Okay, so first thing is we write the given inverse demand function, that is P is equal to 230 minus Q. What will we do next? And we know this Q is equal to, Q is the sum of the outputs of 6 firms. So Q will be equal to output of firm 1 plus output of firm 2, so on up to output of firm 6. Okay, now first we solve for the reaction function of firm 1. By reaction function of firm 1, what we mean, how firm 1 chooses its output given other firms have chosen their optimal output. And to find out the reaction function of firm 1, what we do, we equate the marginal revenue of firm 1 with the marginal cost of firm 1. So total revenue, as we know, will be equal to price into output of firm 1. Total revenue is simply this. So P is 230 minus Q. In place of Q, we have Q1, Q2 up to Q6. To this we multiply by Q1. Then total revenue will be equal to 230 minus Q1 plus R. I have written R in place of Q2 up to Q6. Okay. Then total revenue is equal to 230 Q1 minus Q1 square minus R Q1. R denotes the output of rest 5 firms. Marginal revenue is simply the partial derivative of this revenue function with respect to output. Derivative of Q1 is 1, so we are left with 230. Derivative of 2 Q1 square, Q1 square is 2 Q1, and derivative of Q1 in the third term is 1, so we are left with R. This is the marginal revenue of firm 1. Now marginal cost of firm 1 is 20, and since we have the same symmetric costs, marginal costs are equal. So equating marginal revenue with marginal cost of firm 1, so we have marginal revenue as this 230 minus 2 Q1 minus R with the marginal cost, which is 20. Okay, solving for Q1, then we will get Q1 is equal to 105 minus 1 upon 2R. Now we know that we have the symmetric costs. We have the constant marginal cost for each 6 firms. That means output produced by firm 1 will be equal to the output produced by firm 2, which will be equal to the output produced by all other 6 firms. Okay, that means, and we also know that the value of R is, what is R? R is equal to Q2 plus Q3 up to Q6. That means in place of Q2 we write Q1, since they are same, so in place of Q3 we have Q1, and similarly for Q6 we have Q1. When we add these, we will get R is equal to 5 times Q1. Then we plug the value of R in this reaction function, that is Q1 will be equal to 105 minus 1 upon 2 into 5 Q1. When we solve for Q1, we will get the value of Q1 equal to 30. That means output produced by first firm is 30, and since we have 6 firms and firms are identical, that is output of industry will be equal to 6 times the output of the first firm, which is equal to 6 into 30, which is 180. That means Q is equal to 180. Market output is 180. Then price will be equal to, that is being given as 230 minus the industry output, which comes out to be 180, which comes out to be 50. That means Cournot-Nash equilibrium market price will be 50. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.